We're going on the boat. We're gonna wake up at 6 in the morning. We're gonna go fish and fish for brim and bluegill.
I caught the fish.
I caught 2 catfish today.
You got a mustache!
Which were probably about what? I'd say 10 pounds. All right, 7. We'll go with 7 pounds, whatever. They weren't the same one. I caught them both within like 10 minutes of each other. Anyway, we're gonna catch bluegill and smaller fish. We're gonna cut them up and we're gonna go try and catch a big catfish in the Tennessee River.
You just go, Daddy. It's cold to Mommy. Daddy will be your savior. Rails, so take your arm off.
Good job. Not too bad. Well, you can see the front of the boat. We've missed a few times.
Actually, we didn't catch anything, but we had a lot of fun. We went during the best part of the day because it stormed the second half of the day. We saw deer. I got drone video of birds in a nest on top of a little like pole buoy thing. The kids had fun. Ethan got to drive the boat. Overall, it was a pretty cool experience. We went out on the boat for 4 hours. It was $150 plus gas. So how much was it total? Oh, so we don't know yet. But 4 hours was plenty in my opinion. So I was ready to get back. Were you ready to get back?
No.